You're running a build in the terminal. You spot a typo, so you Alt-Tab to your editor. Fix it. Jump to the browser to check the dev server. Oh, you forgot that git command. Open a new tab for ChatGPT. 4 different apps. 5 if you count the calculator. We spend more time managing context than actually writing code. But what if one app did all of this? In a window smaller than a JPEG. This is TERAX. The developers call it an IDE, an AI development environment. Built on Tauri 2, Rust, and React 19. The whole thing weighs 7 megabytes on disk. That is not a typo. Most Electron terminals clock in at over 200 megs. And here is the thing. It is completely open source. Apache 2.0. No telemetry. No account required. Your API keys stay in your OS keychain, not on some cloud server. It runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you are on Arch, there is even an AUR package. So what is actually under the hood? The terminal runs xterm.js with a WebGL renderer. You get split panels, true color, and full shell integration for ZSH, Bash, PowerShell, Fish, or KeyMD. On Windows, WSL is a first-class workspace, not a wrapped subprocess. And the AI has direct access to the native PTY backend. You just type what you need in plain English. Say I want to find large files. I type, show me everything over 100 megs. The AI generates the find command, explains what each flag does, and runs it. No more Stack Overflow for commands you forgot. Bring your own model. OpenAI, Anthropic, Grok for speed. Google Gemini, XAI Grok, DeepSeek, Mistral. Any OpenAI compatible endpoint. Or go fully local with LM Studio, Ollama, or MLX. Your keys, your machine, your choice. But the real power is plan mode. Open a messy JavaScript file and ask the AI to refactor it into TypeScript with unit tests. It does not just edit. It enters plan mode. It lays out a full checklist. Analyze the code, plan the refactoring, generate interfaces, write tests, create the jest config. Then TERAX spawns subagents for each task. File renaming. Interface generation. Test configuration. Every batch of changes is presented to you for approval before touching disk. No hallucinations breaking your build. The editor itself is CodeMirror 6. Syntax highlighting for every major language. Vim mode built in. Inline AI autocomplete as you type. And the killer feature, AI edit diffs. Every change shows green for additions, red for removals. Accept or reject each one. GitHub code review in real time. The File Explorer has capuchin icons, fuzzy search, keyboard navigation, inline rename. You can attach files directly to the AI panel from the Explorer. For web developers, here's the trick that changes everything. Start your Vite dev server. Normally you would Alt-Tab to Chrome, but TERAX detects localhost automatically and opens a live web preview panel right inside the terminal. Terminal, code editor, browser preview, all in one window. Zero context switching. One big problem with AI assistants is short-term memory. Every new chat forgets who you are. TERAX solves this with a TERAX.md file. Put your project standards in there. Use 2 spaces. Never use console.log. Prefer Lodash over native. The AI reads it every session. It remembers. There is a full source control panel too. Stage and unstage hunks. Commit with Control-Enter. Push with upstream awareness. The Git history includes a real commit graph with lane rendering for merges. You can search commits, filter by text, and click through to the remote page on GitHub. You can create custom AI agents with their own system prompts and tool subsets. One for refactoring, one for code review, one for documentation. Each one tuned for its job. And it is fully customizable. A built-in theme editor lets you create and share themes. Switch between Tokyo Night, Nord, Atom 1, Grovebox Dark. Background images with adjustable opacity and blur. The editor theme is independent from the app theme. Look, it is not perfect. No code signing certificate yet, so Windows throws a smart screen warning on first launch. And it is missing some deep IDE features like a native debugger or integrated testing. But for 7 megabytes, open source, privacy first, local AI support, and an all-in-one workspace. This is one of the most exciting developer tools I have used this year. The repo is at github.com/krinta/terax-i. If this was useful, drop them a star. Link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.